The goal is to be able to use tools such as AI to be able to wonder and ask yourself, what is this? I'm Jerald Nyaga, and I'm going to be the technical mentor for the High School Tech Bootcamp here at Moringa School. A little bit about myself. It just so happens that when I was a young boy, my father got a computer. I found myself punching through the keys and being able to play around with Microsoft Docs. This sort of sparked an interest in me in regards to learning and wanting to know more about how to use a computer and even getting to be more versed with it. Our most recent trillionaire, Elon Musk, started coding when they were 13. Maybe, just maybe, there's a relationship between learning how to code as early as possible and being the next trillionaire. Who knows? But I do believe it's pretty important getting to learn how to code at a very young age. I think if you get to try out and you get to enroll in this high school bootcamp, what you're doing is you're removing the fogginess of this tech world as early as possible. In this space, in this high school bootcamp, the goal is to be able to use tools such as AI to be able to wonder and ask yourself, what is this? And reach a point of, oh, I get it. So it's, as I said, it's a Pandora's box, which we are going to encourage you to just carry one thing and one thing alone: curiosity and, of course, a laptop. This bootcamp actually offers two really cool tiers, that is the Pathfinder and the Trailblazer. So the Pathfinder is whereby this young one comes and they have never coded before. They do know what a computer is, but they've never done anything cool with it. And what I tend to see is a fresh and green young 13 or 14-year-old coming up with a solution that makes me scratch my brain and say, I would have never thought of that when I was 13-year-old. So I tend to see the growth in real time, in 10 days, and it's really magical. And for tier 2, that is the Trailblazer, this is a student who actually knows what they are doing. They have coded before, they have an idea of what coding is. But now what we do is we cut off the rough edges, we bring the idea to life to be able to come up with a solution that, well, they can build up in the coming near future for it to blow up. Number one, they're able to work together. Number two, the first thing that we tell them is you are a problem solver. You are supposed to look around you, figure out what is one thing you can actually improve, you can actually make better. Now we need you to critically think of a solution that you can be able to solve that problem with. And where they critically think, we are able to tell them, hey, you can actually use coding to solve that problem, to ask questions, because as they are learning how to code, they are able to figure out, wait, I don't know so much about it, but I'm going to ask and I'm going to learn and I'm going to build this skill that even though I'm not going to make it work the first time, I'm going to eventually make it work. I do believe this has to be one of the most smartest investment that you can make for your child. Why do I say that? We are living in the AI era. We are living in a digital era. And if you are a parent to a 13 or 14 or 15-year-old, this is some of the skill, one of the most important skill you can actually give your child. Every future innovator starts with curiosity. Give your child the opportunity to explore, create, and discover the possibilities with technology.